Welcome to the Wellbeing Ambassadors Programme for primary aged children. You'll find the Wellbeing Ambassadors Programme is within our Wellbeing Academy. Our Wellbeing Academy is our online training platform where we deliver all our online learning and training programmes. You will find, as you scroll down the page, the Wellbeing Ambassadors Primary Programme area unlocked. This takes you through to the course page where you'll be able to look at all the modules and navigate to all the modules here. And also you've got shortcuts to the resources, support and example areas so that you can quickly access them once you've worked through the online learning modules. You'll know that you've completed the course and how far you've got by the course progress bar going up here, and also the purple ticks for each of the learning modules that appear here. The progress bar will only go up once you've got a purple tick for each of the modules. So this provides an introduction to the programme. As you work through the videos, you'll see the module progress bar goes up and the ticks appear here. Once you've completed a whole page, you'll see the course progress bar has gone up and a tick appears here to show you that you've completed that module. You work through the modules bit by bit. The ticks and the videos help you if you have to stop halfway through a video, see where you got to so you know where you've left off. You can start and pick up wherever you need to. You'll see also on these pages a download area where you can find quick links to download the posters and resources. Anything you need to use the programme materials with pupils in your school. You'll also find underpinning theory that helps you understand how the programme works so you can understand strategies for positive psychology that are improving wellbeing and how to deliver the workshop with the pupils that you work with. You'll see that there's a downloadable workbook for the children, and the videos complement this, explaining the theory behind how it all works and how the tools and video clips and all the resources fit together for you to develop the programme and deliver it in your school for different age children and different key stages. We have build activities and more practical activities so that you can decide yourselves which are the ones that you want to use with the children in your school, depending on how much time you have or what your focus is. So it's very structured, but it's also some flexibility in there to allow you to adapt it to the needs of the children in your school. So there's practical cut and stick activities, colouring in things, icebreakers, and various different things that you can use to really implement a Wellbeing Ambassadors Programme in your school. You'll also see how to follow up the sessions, how to ensure that the programme gets embedded and sustained over time. You'll also find quick links to examples of other schools that have used the programme, and you'll also be able to become a Spotlight School yourself and be added to this area. We'd love to hear from you. As you can see, these are videos of other schools that have used the programme. Again, you can just jump to the bits that you're interested in. We also have ongoing support where you can come along to our drop-in calls that are every half term. You just add them to the calendar and drop in. You don't need to book or anything, or ask a quick question in the Facebook community, and you can also see when the next drop-in calls are. So you're welcome to join the Wellbeing Ambassadors Programme anytime, and we hope to see you soon.